Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Ian's How to Make Tech Easy. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different than the normal episodes you've seen. I'm going to focus on a specific component, aftermarket component that is, to be installed in a car that I own that will enhance its suspension stability and performance. Made by a company called DSC, as you can see here. It's in the box, and we're going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'll show you what the component's all about. So like I said, this is an unboxing. Comes with 2 stickers. Oh, how nice. I have absolutely no use for these. But the box looks nice. Well-made product from what I can see on the box side. You open it up. Up comes a little foam stuff, which is good. Out comes a little instruction manual on how to find the installation instructions, which is on the website. And a little promotion for active suspension upgrades. Okay. And in the box is a component. No, there's nothing else in there. There's a component that looks like this. Quite an ugly color. And there's a little barcode on top here with a little number. And then on the back, some screws. And some plugs. A lot of plugs. A lot. And that's it. On the side there's a little number here. It says 991/981, which is the model number of the car. On this side there's absolutely nothing. And here's a little USB port. If at some point there's a software upgrade, you can do that through your laptop. So, other than that, this looks like it's been abused in the shipping, or it's a used component that someone else has returned and now that it's mine. Okay, so now it's time to install this sucker. As you can tell, I've folded my rear seats back down. Well, at least the seat's made for people without legs or very young children. And that's a standing joke, you know, for this kind of a car. But we're going to see, after following the video that the manufacturer has on their website, how easy it is, or not, for a layman like me to install this simple piece of plug-and-play technology. So here we go. First step is to basically fold down the rear seats, pick up this carpet, which is supposed to be very easy to pick up. Well, we'll see about that in a moment. Okay, and you don't want to damage the harness seatbelt device. Okay, and there it is. Look at that. So you basically pick up the styrofoam, pick this sucker up out of the styrofoam, if I can, without damaging it. Let's see here. Okay, flip it upside down, and then basically these things just unlock by sliding them out. Sure, they slide right out, no problem. Voila, number one. There we go. Now I can see what I'm doing here. Oh, this slides at a diagonal. I can unsnap it. Well, it doesn't want to come out that easily, which doesn't surprise me. Wow, that was a pain in the ass. Okay, now put these back on the right way. Now I can see what I'm doing. That would have been helpful. before. There we go. Okay. Looks like both pieces are now on securely. Flip it back up. Like that. Back into its little tray. Must have done something a little wrong here. Because this is not, there we go. That's better. Okay. That's it. Alright guys. So let's take it for a little ride and see if no lights come on, which is a good thing. And the ride quality is better. Hoo-ah! Oh my God! As a recap, what you're all waiting for are the results. And other than me struggling to get this component installed, i.e. 6 minutes or so to get the original plug off of the original PASM unit, what they call PASM, it worked flawlessly first time out of the box, no issues whatsoever. Putting it into sport mode, putting it into standard mode, worked great, just like it should with the button on the car. One small difference is that when I put my car into Sport Plus mode, the active suspension would automatically go into sport mode as well. Now it doesn't do that, but no biggie, you push 2 buttons instead of 1. The results are the car immediately in standard suspension mode setting was much more subtle in going over bumps, much more compliant, much smoother, and it felt very planted and stable going around turns, much more so than the prior standard mode. Putting it into sport mode, it was just another notch up on the stability, really felt solid and planted, was not finicky, less body roll than I've ever seen, and I'd even take it on the track. I was not paid by the manufacturer. I did not get the product for free. As I said, I spent $1,290 on it. But I have to say, plug and play was definitely what the manufacturer said it would do. And from the reviews I've seen on Renlist and other websites, very consistent, quality product. The only caveat is the case, which they said was due to the way the manufacturing process worked on making the actual plastic component. So, just wanted to give you that quick feedback. If you like the video, please like. And if you like what I have as far as content on my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for your time.